Hello, this is Tom at TeamUp Labs, and I'm going to show you how to start example mapping with our online tool. So here we are at teamuplabs.com, and first of all I'm going to click to sign in with Google. So this is going to use my existing Google account. I don't need to pre-register with TeamUp Labs. So this brings us to the dashboard where we can see some existing example maps that I've been working on. I'm going to click on the blue button up here, which is create a new example map. So this brings us to the example mapping page, and this is where we come with developers, testers, product owners, etc. when we want to kick off a story. And first of all, we will name this example map. So for this demonstration, it's going to be add ticket to cart. And it's going to be a slightly contrived example, but here we go. So first off, I'm going to add the first rule. So someone in the room will come up with this, and it's going to be user adds tickets to the cart. Cart is updated on screen. And we are going to illustrate this with an example. So let's say user adds one ticket to the cart. Cart shows one ticket on the screen. So that's our first happy path example. And we might go ahead and add another example. So user adds 3 tickets to cart. Cart shows 3 tickets on the screen. And now someone in the room might say, well, hang about, what happens if someone adds 3 tickets, but there's only 2 tickets available? And so that is going to drive out a new rule. And we can add another rule by double clicking here, along with clicking the add rule button. So this rule is going to be ticket availability check. So ticket availability is checked before cart update. So let's start with a happy path example for this. So user clicks to add 3 tickets. 4 tickets are available. Cart is updated on the screen. And now we've got that one, we're going to add a not so happy path. So what happens if we say user clicks to add 4 tickets, only 3 tickets are available, and we say warning shown to user. So this is an example of how you can just use simple words. You don't have to worry about the structure of what you're saying. You don't have to worry about the grammar, and you can concentrate on getting your rules down, and then you write down your examples, and they help to drive out more rules, and then you keep going until you've sort of driven the whole thing out. Another thing you might want to do is add a question. So at some point, someone might say, okay, so what happens if user doesn't complete purchase? And at the moment, we don't know. Maybe that's going to be a new story in the future, but we want to capture that question and, an answer if we have it. So at the moment, we don't know. But we're starting to drive out all of the behavior in the story and capture all the questions that we know about it. The last thing that we're going to want to do is capture our definition of done. So this is going to be different for every single team in the world, I imagine. Everyone has their own different process. But you can come here and you can change this. You can customize your definition of done. So this is the sort of thing that we tend to work with. But you can come here, you can save this as a template. So I'm going to say this is like a 3-point story, excluded functionality, yes, security deployment, all interesting stuff. And we'll fill that out all together as a team. So the next thing we want to do is export this into our tool of choice. So let's go to export. We can see the rules, examples, questions, and definition of done here. I click on export to clipboard, and then I can go to say text edit or Jira or whatever it is that you happen to be using, and paste it straight in there, which is really nice and quick. Okay, so a couple of other things to show you. First of all, we have a send feedback button here, and back on the dashboard we have a send feedback button. So if you have any ideas, or you see a bug, or you have any questions, you can pop them in here and then click send, and that will make its way to us. You can see that our new add ticket to cart example map is now in the dashboard. We can delete them here, and also if you look down here, you'll see the vote for new TeamUp Labs features section, and each user gets up to 3 votes per day, and you can click to vote up potential new features that we've got in here. And if there's another particular feature you want to see in here, you can click to suggest a feature, what you have in mind, and we'll get that as well. Okay, thanks for watching this video, and please have a go on teamuplabs.com. Let us know how you get on with it. Lastly, please don't forget to like and subscribe if you like this video.